Guys, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So in the previous videos we had discussed about the locators and the action class in the Selenium. Now we will be going to discuss about the find element versus find elements. Basically both these commands are used to find the elements uniquely. If we want to interact with the web page, then the user is required to locate the web element, as the find element command is used to find the element uniquely on the basis of the various tags like tag name or we can say the various locators. On the other hand, find elements is used to find the list of the elements in the web page. Basically, the syntax of find element is driver dot find element by dot xpath or any locator, then in between the value of that locator. Here the by is the object as parameter. Okay, and xpath is a type of locator that is used to find the web element uniquely. Now when we come to the find elements, this command returns the list of the web element. It returns an empty list if there is no element found, while the find element returns the exception if no element is found. Basically the syntax of find elements is list of web elements equals to driver dot find elements by dot x path. Okay, so now what we have discussed is that let's take the any example through which we can find out the tags. Like on a web page we need to find out all the links on the web page. So which method do we use? We use the find elements method. So what do we need to write is the list of web elements. Let's say the tags equals to driver dot find elements by dot xpath a. Now this will find out all the a tags into the tags. Okay, now we will see the difference between the find element and the find elements. So the first difference is that the find element return the web element, and if there are multiple then we can find using the index or the position to find out that element, while the find elements return the list of the web elements. If in the find element there is no element found, then it throws no such element exception, while in the find elements it returns the empty list. Okay guys, so I hope you are much more clearer than before about the find element and the find elements. It is the most hot topic that is to be asked in the interview question. So guys, as I always say that do practice regularly. So stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, goodbye.